In this video, we're going to talk about rubber bumpers. Rubber bumpers or rubber feet are used in applications where either you want to dampen vibrations, or you're just looking for a nice kind of softer, tactily softer feel when placing an object down. They can also be used as a means of preventing an object from sliding or moving on a surface because they're fairly high friction. Let's see, there are a variety of different types of rubber bumpers or rubber feet. Just like most of the hardware we've taken a look at, they come in different shapes and configurations. Some of these just have a hole that you can mount to a base plate or whatever it is you're applying the rubber bumper to. Some of them have threaded studs. Some of them have these little kind of Christmas tree shape features that you can press into a hole and then they'll get stuck in the hole. And some of them come with an adhesive backing, which we really enjoyed using. They're just simple to put on. McMaster has quite a few different types of rubber bumpers. Let's see. If you search in here, well, so here's a type with a threaded hole. These ones looks like just have a through hole. And then, like I mentioned, there are adhesive backed versions as well. Let's see. We might have to filter down a little bit, so maybe if we say round, there we go. Adhesive backed, yeah. So a variety of different options there. These are just great little pieces of hardware that can really improve the user experience of your design. Imagine if you had a big heavy, I don't know, aluminum or steel base plate with a bunch of stuff on it, some kind of small machine design, or maybe it's a fixture or something, and it's somewhat heavy. Imagine a user trying to lift this up and move it to a different location. If it's just a metal plate on the bottom, it's going to be kind of an abrasive experience to move that around or to lift it up and set it down on a surface. But if you have these little rubber feet on the bottom, then it becomes a much more pleasant user experience. Just imagine setting down a heavy metal plate onto a table. It's going to feel a lot better if there's some rubber cushions on the bottom of it. And those cushions will also, like I mentioned, prevent unintended sliding, or give your plate an element of friction. One example of this in a design that we put together some time ago. This is it's a cycle tester fixture. So we've got some air cylinders here that move some kind of end effectors back and forth. We've got a motor on one side that spins a big reel of stuff. So there's some motion going on here in a very cyclical manner, and we didn't want that motion to get translated to this big aluminum plate. So we have a series of these rubber bumpers, and these ones are just adhesive backed rubber bumpers. We didn't even screw them in, and they've worked really well for us. So just a real world example here of how some rubber bumpers have been implemented into a design. If you found this content helpful, consider enrolling in our signature program at mypipelineacademy.com. Whether you're an individual interested in beginning a new career as a mechanical designer, or a company interested in training your new engineering hires, our signature program helps students develop the practical skills they need to be productive mechanical design engineers. Seating is limited. We hope to see you there soon.